around to this time. And for those watching online, we appreciate you so much. And at this point in time, we're about to make a decision. We're about to take that decision that will change some people's life forever.
Humanitarian brand that has been doing great for Nigerian youth, that has elevated a lot of persons out of depression and all. So tonight, please let me welcome the CEO of Gensify Foundation to please come on stage. Gensify Foundation, is he here? What is our represented by Ms. Barbara Okoro? Please come on stage to present. On behalf of Mr. Tourism Nigeria, we have to appreciate you for the job you've been doing, helping and empowering the youth. Thank you very much. See you.
Well, I'll start by saying thank you, Mr. Zanzi. It's such an honor to be receiving this award here. Gensify Africa, I also want to dedicate this award to the amazing team of Gen Zs we have who are passionate about changing the world and been creating something that is nothing like before. And Gensify Africa is a philanthropic movement for the Gen Z by the Gen Z. I'm actually Gen Z, we look like an old man. And whether we like it or not, in the next 5 years, Gen Z will be hitting their 30s, which means that leadership across industries all over the world will be run by Gen Zs. So we are in the business of redefining how the world perceives the African Gen Z. And the aim of Gensify Africa is to prepare the African youth to lead Africa's future. And we've created a lot of amazing products that, by the grace of God, and thanks to Zanzi, we have been awarded for right now. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Michael, please take the walk. A round of applause for Michael, Mr. Tourism Nigeria Culture 2022. A round of applause for him, Michael. Let's also welcome Emeka Walkley, Mr. Tourism Nigeria Planet 2022 to please take his last role as a key. Once again, always a key. A round of applause. Emeka Walkley. Let's recognize Sam, Mr. Tourism Nigeria Ambassador. Mr. Rivers. A round of applause for Mr. Rivers. Thank you very much. Thank you. Mr. Tourism Nigeria Eastern goes to no other than, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Appiah. The king of the East is Appiah. A round of applause for Appiah. Make some noise for Mr. Appiah, Mr. Tourism Eastern. Congratulations, Mr. Tourism Nigeria Eastern. Mr. Tourism Nigeria top model. Congratulations to you, our top model. Just for pictures. And Mr. Tourism Nigeria Best Buddy goes to none other than Mr. Oshun, the one with the best body amongst all. Pictures, please. Congratulations to you. Mr. Tourism Nigeria personality goes to none other than Ogun, the one with a very mature personality all through their stay in camp. Ogun. Congratulations, Mr. Ogun, Mr. Tourism Nigeria personality. The new Mr. Tourism Nigeria 2023. Congratulations. A round of applause for Mr. Lagos. And here we proudly Mr. Tourism Nigeria Universe. Let's run out of automatically replacing. Ladies and gentlemen, well, let me call the round first, right? Okay. So the first round, Mr. Tourism Nigeria 2023, with the title Mr. Tourism Nigeria Universe, is Appointment. Appointment is the first round, Mr. Tourism Nigeria. Mr. Tourism Nigeria Universe 2023. Lights, can I have your attention? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, Mr. Universe. Thank you, sir. Bravo, thank you. The time has come. Can I have the 5 of you? This moment, your comments, your likes, your subscription, we do appreciate. Thank you very much. Mr. Tourism Nigeria, none other than Thank you very much. I'd like to take your time. I like the suspense. But before then, we'd like to call on the winning designer for the night. We had a fashion contest for young designers. According to the results here from the winner. The winner of this challenge is August Fashion, the first designer, August Fashion. And telling congratulations. On behalf of the Tourism Nigeria organization, we'd like to recognize you for your job, and we support you and we encourage you to do more. Thank you very much. Thank you. Our is none other, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mr. Abel. Thank you very much. Please take your walk. The new king of tourism. Ladies and gentlemen.